We have taken a cardboard and covered it with green sheet. On this base, we will create a house and a garden all using paper. First, let us make a coconut tree. Take a brown rectangle and roll it in the shape of a coconut tree. The roll will be thinner at the top and thicker at the bottom, in this way. Take glue and paste the edges. To smoothen out the top and bottom of the tree, take a scissors and cut out the extra portion. Next, we take strips of light brown paper. We put glue on this strip. And we will twine these strips around the trunk to make the bark of the coconut tree. Try to make equidistant twines. Next, we will make the leaves of our tree. Take a green rectangle and fold it into half. Now, you draw half of the leaf on this folded rectangle. In this way. Cut it out. When you open, you will get the shape of a leaf. Next, what you have to do is make thin cuts on the leaf like these. The thinner the cuts, the nicer your leaf will look. Take care that you do not have to cut all the way through. Patiently make the cuts. And your coconut leaf is ready. Make more leaves in the similar way. They can be of different sizes. And now we have to stuff these leaves into the stem. See how we will do it. Just take your leaves and put them into the bark like these. Once you put in all the leaves, they will be stuffed in and will stay at place. Your coconut tree is ready. We will paste this tree on our base now. For this, you make small cuts at the bottom of the tree. And you fold these portions up. Now you put glue and paste the tree on the base. Our tree is firmly standing on the base now. Next, we will make some plants. To make the plants, you take a red strip, then you take scissors and again make thin cuts on this strip. You do not have to cut all the way through. Make cuts till a little more than halfway through, like these. Again, the thinner these cuts are, the nicer your plant will be. Next, you have to make a thin roll with this strip. You can use a pencil to roll if you want. Make a nice tight roll. Paste the end with the glue. Like this. Next, you take a thin green strip, put glue on it, and you have to roll this green strip at the bottom of the red roll. Like this. Spread out the plant in this way and your beautiful pot is ready. Make more pots like these. You can also make a multicolored plant. Instead of taking a single strip, you take strips of different colors and roll them over one another. So we roll the red one first. And now over this red one, we roll the yellow one. And then another color if you want. And see, you get a beautiful multicolor plant. See? Use your creativity to play with colors. Next, we will make the house. First of all, you make the net of the hut like is shown to you in the book, and you cut this net out. We have cut out the net of the hut. We have also cut out the windows and the door. You can use a cutter for this. You have to be very careful with the dimensions. This and this will be equal, and this length will be equal to this length. Only then you will be able to fold and paste. Now we will fold this net. Fold along the dotted lines. And we will paste this extra portion that we had cut. The skeleton of our hut is now ready. Next, we cut out 3 rectangles from a yellow sheet. These 3 rectangles are of the same length but of decreasing widths. You have to fold these rectangles into half lengthwise. So let us fold them. One. 2 and the smallest one. Next, you take one at a time and you have to make thin cuts with scissors like we made for the trees and the plants. Make cuts till about halfway. So you will get something like this. Similarly, make cuts on the other 2 rectangles also. Once you have made all 3 of them, you take them and paste them over one another in ascending order. Put some glue and paste the second one, aligning this crease. And then you paste the third one. You have to align this crease with the previous ones. And the roof of your hut is ready. We will place it on the hut now. Again, put some glue. And paste the roof on top. And the beautiful hut is ready. See? Now we have made a base for this hut. We have made a cuboid with grey paper. You have learned how to make a cuboid with paper sculpting. Now we will just paste this hut on the base. Like this. Finally, we have to put all these things together into a composition. So we paste the hut beside the tree. And then you can place the plants wherever you want. And your beautiful composition is ready. See, paper sculpting is such a wonderful technique. You can make all your models using this technique.